Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Asana to track employee leave and time off, the 2025 Complete Guide. First up, you need to create a time off project in Asana. After logging in, click on the plus sign to create a new project, label it Time Off, and make it public for transparency. This is crucial as it helps everyone in your team know when others are unavailable and plan their work accordingly. Next, let's create custom fields. Click on the Fields button in the top right corner and add fields like Start Date, End Date, Reason, and Approved By. Custom fields are the backbone of tracking time off, as they'll allow you to capture all the necessary details about an employee's leave. Now that we've done that, it's time to create tasks for each time off request. Employees can easily add a task under the Time Off project, fill in the custom fields, and assign it to the relevant manager for approval. This is a neat way to keep all leave requests organized and in one place. The reason we do this is to optimize the approval workflow. Managers can use the My Tasks view to see all pending leave requests assigned to them, approve it by marking the task as complete, or discuss it further using the Comments feature. This helps us streamline communication and decision-making. Lastly, you'll want to set up notifications. Go to the Project Actions menu, then Manage Notifications, and customize your notification preferences. This ensures you're always in the loop about any new or updated leave requests. In conclusion, using Asana for managing employee leave and time off is as easy as creating a dedicated project, devising custom fields, making tasks for requests, optimizing the approval process, and setting up notifications. By organizing and streamlining this process, we can ensure a smooth workflow and prevent any hiccups due to unexpected absences. Stay tuned for more Asana tips and tricks on our channel. Until next time, keep tracking.